Final video to fix Vortex Mods error, Dest already exists, because this issue stops your mods from installing or updating properly. Are you using Vortex and seeing the Dest already exists error when trying to install a mod? This problem happens when previous mod files, leftover folders, or incorrect installation paths conflict with new mod installations. Sometimes file permissions, antivirus interference, or corrupted downloads also trigger this error without warning. Many users search YouTube or social media for fixes, but most solutions feel long, confusing, and full of steps that are,